Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing head tie hack. I'll be using one head tie to tie 4 different styles for you guys. Yes, one head tie to tie 4 different styles. You can tie it to church, to occasion, anywhere, or you're a lover of head tie. There are people that are lovers of head tie, even if they're not going out, they will just tie it. Okay guys, let's watch. Comment on the comment section and tell me the one that you like best. Let's go there. So guys, how did you see my styles? Did you like it? Can you rock it? Comment your opinion on the comment section. Let's see how I rock my head tie. Just give your opinion and say if you like it or if you don't. If you can rock it to church or if you cannot. Before we go, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And send the link to your friends. Let them subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you. We'll see you some other time. Have a nice day. Bye.